Today is Friday, February 6th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. I'm going to try to smile here because I don't have a lot of good news to tell you. We are about to see what will likely be the coldest air of the entire season. And you're probably saying, how much colder could it possibly get? Because it has been a cold winter so far, but the wind chills are going to be dangerously cold this weekend, starting with tomorrow morning and continuing right through Sunday evening. We have extreme cold watches and warnings throughout the entire Northeast. This morning, it's mostly cloudy in the New York metro. It won't feel so bad this afternoon, about 30, and not a whole lot of wind. And then later on this evening, it's probably going to be after 10 o'clock. We'll see a little bit of snow developing, could be coating to an inch or two by tomorrow morning. So as we look at the map, not so bad, right? Today, temperatures in the upper 20s, and compared to how it's been, this is really not that bad. You got some snow coming in for Buffalo this afternoon. That will overspread central New York late this afternoon into this evening, with snow continuing through tomorrow morning. These are clearly supposed to be snow icons, but you got lake effect snow that's lingering in central New York with a low of just 1. 2 below in Buffalo. We fall to 0 in Albany and 23 in New York City by tomorrow morning, which means it's only going to get colder tomorrow as the day goes on. Right now, the extreme cold is just barely knocking on the door here in the Midwest. But as we head through the day and overnight into tomorrow, this parks itself right here over the Northeast. Pretty much the coldest air, at least compared to normal, over the entire of North America is going to be right here over the Northeast. Temperatures well below average, 25, 30 degrees colder than they should be, combined with strong gusty winds. That leads to those dangerously cold wind chills. Look at these high temperatures tomorrow. A high in Buffalo of 5, in Syracuse a high of 3, 14 in Albany, 25 in New York. So the temperature doesn't move from the morning low, kind of hold in the 20s, maybe even fall off closer to 20 by the afternoon. And then you factor in the wind, and especially Saturday night, that's when I think the wind chills across the entire Northeast are going to range from 15 to 30 below zero. Dangerously cold. It really only takes minutes for frostbite to settle in with that type of cold. So dangerous cold over the Northeast this weekend. In particular, we're talking about Saturday night into Sunday morning. It's going to be real cold Sunday night into Monday morning as well. And then we do get out of that. There's some rain, snow in the forecast here. A little too early to tell exactly which type of precipitation it'll be, but we'll keep an eye on it. A little system swinging through the Northeast the middle of the week. All right, that's your Friday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a terrific weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.